In this tutorial, we'll give you quick tips on how to effectively use Zoom's virtual backgrounds to enhance your video meetings. Access virtual background settings. Open Zoom, go to your profile, and click on Settings. Navigate to the Background and Effects tab on the left. Choose a default background. In the Virtual Background section, select one of Zoom's preloaded options or click the plus symbol icon to upload your own image or video. Use high-quality images. Make sure the image you're using is high resolution, 1920 by 1080 or higher, to avoid pixelation. Clean, simple images work best to keep you in focus. Good lighting is key. Ensure you're well lit from the front. Poor lighting can cause your virtual background to flicker or distort. Avoid wearing green. Zoom uses a green screen effect to differentiate you from the background. Wearing green can cause parts of your body to blend into the background. Use a green screen for better results. If you have a green screen, enable the I have a green screen option in the virtual background settings. This helps Zoom better detect your background and provides a cleaner effect. Test your background before meetings. Before joining a meeting, test your virtual background by clicking Preview in the settings. Adjust it if needed to ensure it looks professional. Stay in the center of the frame. Virtual backgrounds work best when you're centered in your webcam. Moving too much can cause parts of your body to disappear into the background. Update Zoom for new features. Keep your Zoom app up to date to access new virtual background features, like blur effects and custom video backgrounds. Those are some quick tips for using Zoom's virtual backgrounds effectively. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.